Since the drone has no audio, I thought I'd give a go at trying to narrate this. This is the arrival of Corey Anderson's Case 150 road tractor. This is July 28th, 2021. The tractor arrived the day before the start of the Tri-State Antique Engine and Thresher Show, held every year in Bird City, Kansas. It's the largest steam tractor in the world, and of course it runs. It is a replica built from plans by Corey Anderson. It was a pretty good day for pictures. It had been really hot all week, not as hot as hot, like 100, but in the mid-90s, windy, dry, dusty. The drone was complaining quite a bit, kept wanting me to give up, but I wouldn't. Wind, that is, a lot of wind. They started out in Andover, South Dakota, and took them 2 days. They spent the night in Nebraska. So this is about, 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Wednesday the 28th. This is a really nice trailer. I gather they use that trailer to haul combines. The Case 150 is 14 feet wide at the rear wheels there. So during their trip, they were oversized, probably had permits all over the place, pilot cars. It's a big effort to get something that size moved across state lines. So what they're doing here is they're tugging on it, but they have it held back by the truck winch. So they're working each against the other in order to maintain control of the engine because it has no brakes. It also has power steering and no steering wheel. So Corey Anderson is up on the trailer itself, and he's cranking on a sector shaft in order to adjust the steering of the tractor. The Tug tractor is an international, it's a 4166. International built these, I think 1972 to 76. They're a four-wheel drive tractor. They do not bend in the middle. They are articulated. They steer front and rear wheels. It's a 175 horse tractor. However, it doesn't have an automatic transmission. So the driver here is slipping the clutch a lot. It's a tough pull trying to keep the speed down. For whatever reason, when you're in low first gear, it's not that slow. It's a farm tractor. I've been in the seat. It's just the way it is. Truck driver has a wireless remote, so he's standing back there playing out cable to keep the engine between the tug tractor and his trailer. There's Corey adjusting his steering again. It's kind of neat he can do that from the ground. And it's all uphill from here, so they disconnect the trailer winch. Gravity's gonna keep control of things. So the International 4166 is about 15,000 pounds. And that case 150, is about 75,000 pounds. So I think the International had to take notice of that. You can see a little bit of wheel spin there, trying to get that weight going. And there's that clutch slipping. You can see that chain bounce. It's just really difficult to keep a steady pull and keep it slow. There it is, looking pretty imposing compared to the other engines. So the next thing they'll do is the Kansas Steam Safety Inspectors will give the engine a once-over. It has not been in Kansas before, so they'll do a visual inspection, kind of look everything over, kind of just check to be official about it because the Kansas state regs require it. And then the next morning, after filling the boiler, they'll do a hydrostatic test on it. Here's the lineup at Bird City for the Tri-State Antique Engine and Thresher Show. All of the engines ran except one for the 3-day event. That's kind of a panoramic shot of the showgrounds there. Thank you for watching.